When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Give it.
Konnichiwa! Hello everyone! It's me again, Joe of Poissy Japan channel. Welcome to my channel. Hello guys! It's me again. Today guys, I'm going to share with you is sweet dessert and chocolate cake. Yes guys, because malapit lang mag-Valentine's Day. So, this is perfect for the coming Valentine's. So, if you want to make a chocolate cake, try this guys, really. Very, very yummy and satisfying chocolate cake. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started! Really, chocolate cake is really yummy. This is perfect for the coming Valentine's Day. Try to make this, guys. Really, you will be satisfied. The taste is good, very good. Try this, guys. Really, for the chocolate lovers, you will love this, guys. Yummy na rin ay. The chocolate is really yummy. Yummy, yummy. And today my thing is this. This is not green tea this time. This is the red tea. Very, very nice tea. The flavor and the aroma is really good. So, that's all for today, guys. I hope you like our recipe today. Try to make this chocolate cake. Really, this is yummy, yummy, guys. Talaga, guys. Hindi kayo magsisisi pagka ginawa niyo ito. Thank you for watching. And see you on my next videos. Matane! Thank you for the love and support, guys. Thank you. See you on my next videos.
You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it like that. It's like every time the conversation changes, and I want you right back, right back. You say that I'm hypnotic,